Here I have Xiaomi Mi A2 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM card on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then let's open the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. In order to open the slot, you need to use some kind of the special eject tool, or it could be simple the paper pin. Let's just push it right here into this hole, and now you can remove the tray. As you can see here, you can insert two SIM cards. In my case, let me just use one SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Of course, this is the Nano SIM card. But if you would like to, you can also insert here the second one. Now let's put the whole thing into your device and simply switch on the device by pressing the power key. Wait until your device will be ready to use. Excellent, now you can unlock the screen and you can check out if your card is working properly by using the home screen, by tapping settings, and here by choosing network and the internet, choose SIM cards. As you can see, one SIM card is inserted, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.